Welcome back. What we're going to do today is we are going to calculate the average number based on the user's input. We're going to keep it nice and simple. So what we're going to do straight away is we are going to print off exactly what this code is going to do. So this will work out the average number. Straight away, we're just saying exactly as it does. If I run that file, this will work out the average number. We are just displaying exactly what it is going to do. So underneath, we want the user to input how many numbers they want to insert essentially. So if they want to input 3 numbers, they're going to input the option 3. If they want to input 500 numbers, we want to say that they can insert 500 numbers. So I'm going to name it number total. You can name it anything you want as long as you understand what it is. Now for this, they are going to insert whole numbers. So it's going to be an integer. And we're going to say input, enter a total, enter how many numbers would you like to enter? And then finally underneath. So if the user enters 4, for example, they want to enter 4 numbers. Well, we're going to have to store them somewhere. So I am just going to store it, and I'm going to call this number list. Now I've not got anything in there, so it's going to be empty for now. Now what we need now is to go through it all. So I'm going to say for I in range, and it's going to be the range of number total. So if the number 4 was entered in here, well, we want to go through it 4 times. If it's 500, we want to go through it 500 times for each and every number. I'm going to give the variable name here number. So this is what the user enters. I'm going to let them enter the whole number if they want, or a floating number so they can enter 2.5. Input, enter a number. Nice and easy. Underneath, what we're going to do, well, we need to append it. So number list, append number. What is that doing? Well, we have our number variable here, and we want to add that into our number list. One more thing we need to do, we need to increment when we are going through this. So number total plus equals 1, a nice short, quick and easy way to do it. Which essentially means when we go through the first time, once it gets to here, it's going to add 1. It'll go through number 2, and it'll keep going through until we hit the number total. So if it's number 4, it'll finish after the last one. Now, this said at the start, it's going to work out the average number. So far, we have not done that. So I'm going to give the variable name here average. And how do we get the average? Well, the sum number list. So it's going to be the sum of everything in here. And we're going to divide it by the length of number list. So if there's 5 entries, it's going to add all the numbers together and then divide by the length. And finally, we're going to print off the average. So the average is, and we're going to print it out. So if I run this file, how many numbers would you like to enter? I'm going to say 3. I'm going to enter the number 2, the number 4, and number 3. The average is 3. So let's work it out. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And we'll do it once for floating numbers. We'll go 2, 10, 7.8. The average is 8.9. See if you can get it to work and round the number to 2 decimal places.